stray to the bold side in the 2018 Subaru Impreza 2.0i Sport, the third in the Impreza lineup. It has all the features of the Impreza 2.0i Premium model, plus several performance upgrades and exclusive design touches. Its balanced and efficient four-cylinder direct-injection Subaru Boxer engine achieves up to 36 highway mpg when paired with the Lineartronic CVT with manual mode paddle shifters. Or you can opt for the standard 5-speed manual transmission with a short-throw shifter for more driving fun. Subaru Symmetrical All-Wheel Drive will give you traction in almost any situation, with active torque vectoring, a sport-tuned suspension, and 18-inch alloy wheels with low-profile tires increase steering responsiveness when turning. The exterior of the Impreza 2.0i Sport offers just the right style to match its performance upgrades, starting with a unique sport grille and bumper with gloss black accents, LED daytime running lights, body color side rocker spoilers, and a rear spoiler around back. Offering function as well as form, there are also heated side mirrors with integrated turn signals and roof crossbar mounts for extra gear. Inside, you'll find 60/40 split-folding rear seat backs with plenty of storage options. And to help keep you and your Subaru safe, there's Starlink Safety and Security. You can also count on a standard rear vision camera to help you see what's behind you when backing up. There are available safety-enhancing features too, like EyeSight driver assist technology, blind spot detection with lane change assist, and rear cross traffic alert to help keep you safe. Keyless access with push-button start makes it easy to get inside, where you'll find a uniquely appointed sport cloth interior with red stitching accents throughout and gray carbon fiber patterned interior accent trim. The 2.0i Sport also includes heated front seats, a leather-wrapped steering wheel and shifter handle, unique sport gauges with a color LCD display, and aluminum alloy pedal covers. Subaru Starlink Multimedia will keep you in touch and entertained with standard Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Pandora smartphone app integration, plus Sirius XM All-Access Radio and TravelLink. You can also enjoy the rich sounds of the available 432-watt equivalent Harman Kardon premium audio system with 8 speakers, and a wide-open view from the available power moonroof overhead. Check out the next trim, the 2018 Subaru Impreza 2.0i Limited, by selecting the next video.